name is Wilma Wendy. My name is Wilma Wendy. That's my name. What's all this ruckus? My hair itches. Got to get some coffee. Ew. Good coffee. Wow. That was Wilma Wendy. Over here now.
Everybody loves Wilma Wendy. Wilma Wendy. Everybody loves Wilma Wendy.